Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials so workouts track reliably. Open Settings, enable Motion and Fitness and Background App Refresh. This lets the health and workout apps record steps and heart rate continuously. Once done, open Health to enter personal data and set realistic daily activity goals. This improves calorie and move ring accuracy. Make sure Location Services is on for outdoor runs. Pair a Bluetooth heart rate monitor if you have one, because external sensors improve precision when available. Now you set up and execute detailed workouts. Open the workout app, pick the type, outdoor run, HIIT, or pool swim, and customize the on-screen metrics like pace, heart rate, and cadence so you see what matters. Once selected, set alerts or interval timers to stay on target. This keeps intensity consistent. Make sure to calibrate by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with GPS so stride length and pace are more accurate. Finally, sync preferred third-party apps and your Apple Watch to unify all data. Finish strong by properly closing the session and reviewing results. Tap End, then save. Open Activity and Health to study distance, heart rate zones, and calorie estimates to learn what to adjust next week. Once you see trends, set progressive goals to improve consistency. If data looks wrong, try troubleshooting. Toggle Motion and Fitness, restart the iPhone and repair Bluetooth sensors. Recalibrate by repeating a 20-minute outdoor session. If problems persist, update iOS and check app permissions so tracking remains reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.